So, are you sober? Are you sober? It's not a picture. It's not a picture. Hold on, wait. It's not a picture. It's a... Relax. This is so going on YouTube. Here's the party.
I don't want to do it. Fuck you, Kayla. It's sweet though. Remember, you're not a pig.
Everybody's showing fucking
Oh no, when it was brown.
That's right, you can take freedom. I'm gonna beat him.
Hey Steffi, how you doing?
I'm fucking good, Kayla. How you doing?
I'm doing alright.
I'm fucking sick, but you know, drinking's making me feel better.
Well, that's good.
Fucking AIDS.
Archie, how you doing?
Okay, take the chip out of
Amanda, how you doing?
I have to take this chip out of this one, put it in this one.
6'4", 210 pounds. What? Big boy.
Get out.
He's on the team.
Come on.
He's only.
It's not a picture.
Oh.
Tiffy, are you drunk?
I guess.
Are you high? That's a yes.
Do you have the balls to look those guys in the face saying, you're going down over to me? I set the couple up. Well, yeah. You have the balls to down and say,
Honey, you're squishing yourself. See?
Oh yeah, I squeezed myself.
I played my brother and he was getting fucking underneath his bed. He's fucking lifting.
I'm squishing your head right now.
Take him out of his knees, right?
And every disco I get in, my heart is...